Greetings and welcome to my channel, View from my desktop. Today we're going to do an unboxing of some Elac speakers, the BS41, or as I know them, be the Elac 4. And we're gonna do some unboxing. These speakers are here a little on the tight side. Okay, come with a manual. This may be my first review of some Elac speakers, but I do have a few Elac speakers. I haven't done any reviews on them, but I do like Elac. And I actually used to own these speakers, not this particular set, but I did used to own Elac 4s. Okay. Here we are. Tilt it down a little bit. Okay. Some paper. Get that later, I guess. Some glue on there too. What's going on with this glue? Having problems with speakers that are having excessive amount of glue. Probably get that off later, but okay. Here we go, the Elac BS41s. Rear ported. Just this angle. Nice screen. Looks like a little bit of a wave guide there. Okay, has the 1-inch tweeter, I guess, behind this screen here, and a 4-inch woofer. Rear ported. Feet on the bottom. And this is the grills. All right, there you have it. The Elac BS41 or Elac Force. Well, it's going to be a while for see this video. The review's right behind it. Hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Your support has been very helpful, and I hope you all continue. Just give me your support, and hope you enjoy the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.